Share this video for me, guys. Good evening to you all. This is Enogie, one of Dutchland, your number one control.
Hello, my amazing people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends of the area where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don't carry another ogbogelicious matter come again. Now, who we want watch, my amazing people? We want watch Enogie one of Jamie. No be small thing. Baba twins one where if they give one to Frank Umenwan woto una know say Frank and Enogie matter. That is Umenwan and Enogie matter and they no dey smile at all. Anywhere when they see each other, they beat each other. My people, make I leave una. Make una watch this very video. Please no fail to like and share. Drop your opinion on our comment section below. Tell us what you think about this very video. God bless you.
But I'm not here to talk too much. The reason why I'm here is because I am here again to let you know that no home is perfect. Yes, there are people who are worse than Mama Nora. There are people who are worse than me. But the reason why my own is not different is because we bring our own come out for media, make their top put. Mama Nora has learned a lesson. Iye Nora learning ne. Well, every man soon down my bag more. This something not happen to person for life. You know to know the love we person get for you. Now when you dey stress, you know love you. Some of now when they use people, they do party. That your party where they call. Listen and listen carefully. Now when you dey problem, now that person go know, now you go know if that person wey they call your best friend love you. Now my people, a lot of rumor is going around. The reason why we come back now because of Ashebi way social media president where they say. The reason why we come back now because of the money way social media president wife want make. Blah blah blah. And I am here to clear the air. Social media president wife is just like an introduction. Introduction means I put her for her, make she be our fashion designer. All the clothes we want use for this marriage, now she want provide that, and we want pay put. Listen and listen carefully. All the clothes where we want wear, now she go provide them, now we go pay put. Let's start from the Ashebi. Let's start from the 100 euro cloth when they sell for my people will love me. If you love me, you follow me back cloth. You help me. That is the truth. No, but let me want do marriage, concept cloth for 100 euro. Some people they go do marriage, they'll sell their cloth 150, 180. That's truth. Now, my lovers, a pa wife, my godfather. A godfather were not strong. Godfather were not weak. Godfather were need love. Despite a call better. Lie. Say, that's why I carry his name, good native daughter, blah, blah, blah. And the call for a call better, you can't turn on it. The cloth, what would they say today? Now a power wife help us order arm. Share this video. The cloth of our marriage, now a power wife help us order arm. Now we pay put. Now me pay, not be we. Oh, however, yes, I'm my wife, but now me pay put. I don't want to mention the amount of the money when they pay, but he passed 1 million naira when I take back those clothes. Or where 1 million, where 2 million. So as I come, when I go ask a power wife, if waiting I want to talk, if I lie, don't be a power wife, they sell my clothes. All the people who don't follow me back clothes. Now Pastor Grace account the money they go. Pastor Grace is my wife. Now we they sell the clothes. Not be a power wife, not be the sell cloth. The cloth where we use for May 25th, 2 months ago. Now a power wife, now I bring the connection of the tailor, we want mention us. Now we pay put. Our own, now just to bring the cloth, say, you like this one, you like this one, because she don't marry before us. And I'm my godfather wife. And I'm my wife godmother too. As I use a part to do godfather, now so Pastor Grace use a part wife to do godmother. So it's like they are there for us as godfather and godmother. But then with the people. The reason why I can't clear the air is because I just see a lot of videos they fly out. No home is perfect. I read a few hours ago. For those who want to book for hotel reservation, call me. People who don't come, don't pass 70. Now. As for now, when they tell say, even if now 100 people they come, now 10 will come on the lie. That is why Osalo boaga teme to mo say. Usaga te to say usaga hawi megawe marriage. To say usaga hawi mega miala godao. To say ivi ya no sawi maga yao. To say my propose, God dispose. Check the people they saga me for social media. Maybe I don't first find their trouble. Maybe they don't first find me. Maybe they don't like me. Maybe me not feel like them. They are talking out of hatred. My wife did not commit adultery. And I want to use this medium to apologize to my lovers and my family. Egbago kinuwase kinuwara me wa ato. Unu ewo ga me ya tamia wa. O ya no keke. The punishment, I don't give up for SARS. If I was aware of that. If I was like me, say me. A boy I fed the Martinic be mama serious and wowa. But I'm aware of that for security purpose. Pastor Grace don't sleep with man. Pastor Grace are Louis Kuku or Louis Cook. That's the only way I cannot sleep with that thing. And any woman who do that thing is on it. Ariana Mariani, I can't. Now, the reason why a lot of haters are crying. Let me just be sincere to you. Omozwo, I have no right to deliberate on this issue. Omozwo don't get right. Omozwo have no right. Number one, Omozwo, your prick, deal with everybody. Now, Matt, they take come here, hear you. Wow, no evidence. A lot of things can be said out of anger. Hello? A lot of things can be said out of anger. Our problem is that may God give us mouth control. May we feed it. Talk things. Where we be, so we feel defend. If my wife tell me or tell you people, say I be pissy for house, it is out of anger. Yes. I go better. He show, he dey play. He show say peace for us. Ekobeta was drunk on that video. He show. But because of hatred, almost one asaga when you boss as a player to buy okay. Should like you come here, you that because why I didn't do it. Yeah. But if I call a Muslim small prick, evidence day. Hello? If I call a Muslim small prick today, evidence day. If I call a competitor, I hear you wa official, I hear you wa. Evidence day. Don't come out and say you hear your wife for tell us the peace for us. Bring the evidence of proof. Because the one when they call now, evidence day. Listen and listen good. Now not believe on Muslim for the blind marriage when they do. When they talk say he put money for a woman head. Yes? How can you say you are a presenter? You don't call women ashi wele. Then all you could do is to come on head to say you don't put money for woman head. And you want us to believe you. But Bagbaya will not see you. Say you buy. Don't want a proud woman no one. Proud Mugu went off his stay with ma for 2 months. Now we are going. Now again. Because where it can't do no we moving. No matter what my wife will say, We go do 20 years anniversary. Lovers of Enogie, wagbe meyo. A black mommy no one, no zuwa, no bewe. Shakere we do. Ona we la dona we agun. Ya take comment that we no. God forbid. Talo ba le gun we yeki. You hear? Check out the people where talk about me for social media. Show me the one way not their body. Now Mazwa, we go marry woman we born 4 children for different men. Now Mazwa, where business will not still wait for do marriage for Benin. Now here will take year. Then for Europe, it cutting out with marriage. Or you cutting out train of your home. Now I come better when mad or beat. When three barbed wire beat Ekobete, Ekobete did not come out to cry and say he need justice. Make this man go prison. Ekobete did not call police for his man. Everybody get the way they react. The prayer where I go to pray, my first prayer now be say, Baba God, give my wife. When I control you. That's my prayer now. Because no get full, no home is perfect. Learn from our mistake. No home is perfect. Don't allow any woman to deceive you. Don't allow any man to deceive you. Don't allow Ekobete to deceive you. Ekobete, oh come. You not talk like this, oh. Ekobete, oh man. They say a normal thing. Because na Ekobete happen to. Man beat him for live video. If they play the show. But it happened to me. Away. Uma keke no fear me. Wagegi boko. If I saw that no fee. He supported that. Now somebody begged me today. Say, no saga Ekobete. Say that video when you post is okay. Egbe. Kayo we. Oma say. Now make me another come out for Ekobete since. No place where quarrel no day. The difference between me and Una be say, oh, Canada do have a marry media. But I know if you talk, I say because my mother I can't use me to this, it can't disgrace me for media. Me, I can't shame because where the last time I check, there are people who still love me. When as I put this marriage for ground, I say, this marriage go still hold, where go still come. Ekobete, PC for us, if they show, if they play. Franco Maswo, small preach, if they show, if they play. Enogie you are. Bring evidence. I'm evidence today. Since when we begin to judge with what woman talk, with what man talk? Social media believes in Mogul, Elliot Duke, Mogul. If you tell me nobody beat Ekobete, then I will play it again for you people to see. Wazwa. Elliot Duke. Now, man, you want to take personal. Uzwo, you mad? Oh, you don't know. Listen. If you know, man, say, understand me? I'll show it to you. Share this video for my life. No, that one I hear you are. That one I hear you are. Never play Kurita for you first.
Since Mike no want to take our advice by live video, may we give him through this video. Enogie, they do party for Germany, October 6, 2024. Now marriage. So this cloth where you they see for up, so now the marriage cloth we then carry. It is beautiful. It is looking trendy. It's very, very affordable. So if you won't get an, contact Enogie Priceless. Contact the wife. Get your piece. You can also get it for you and your husband. You can get it for you and your wife. So it's going to be a lockdown in Hagen. No be small. Hagen, now Germany here 90. Anywhere where you did, please work on your documents and be our guest. Anywhere where you did, please work on yourself and be our guest. Attend the party and talk the story for life. Celebrate with we celebrating.
Who say you know the show? So guys, now listen carefully.
Mama no.
Listen carefully, guys. You will say Ekobete will not show. I want play for you, me say. Listen and listen to Ekubet, okay? Who are soon? Listen to
Monica,
let's go. What's happened there? You not bitter. They mad. Or see, when if una they talk to me, I know they take us serious. Because una we not like Enogie. Many of una are victim of what they talk about. Ekobet have no right to interfere in the issue of me and my wife. You not get. Because they don't bitter for that video. 2020. What did he do? He didn't do nothing. So why are you not crying? Enogie. Now you got to claim my wife's name. Ya marege, yeki amorege mogu. Yeki nemo wa, yeki no zuwa, yeki ayoyuwa. So on this note, guys, a poor wife no akole one for our marriage. Now she they bring the cloth. Now we the people. Now we they sell them. The money where we they sell for cloth. Now we the money they call the meat. Not be a poor wife. Not be a poor wife. So, and I want to use this medium again to re-apologize to all my fans and lovers when my man or don't insult in one way or the other. I am on my knees. Now me give her belly with born my children. If you love me as Enogie is priceless, please forgive her. Please. Enogie, you like your fans. Enogie like fans. Enogie like fans. Why I don't like my fans? Since my fans they help me, you don't ever hear that from me that say they use and laugh me. Me now the learn and they know say the grace when I carry go disgrace now. October 6th is a shutdown in the city of Again. Only this evening, 27 people don't book hotel. Do you know what that means? Only this evening. No sagi agborokpa evege no ya dinyo. No sagi orwe orokpa evege no ya do there. The grace I carry with this grace you. Please, I'm on my knees. Cannot DM me Kennedy. Even ya fair no come away, wala ya boy. You know why ya gumi aro October 6. Wala ye we mo me ye. We ga we Enogie. Kemi ya fair no come away, wala ya boy. Ama say no. Please, Princess the Dreamer, please. All of you that will come across this video that is still angry. Because not be my affair the con. Tamo kadie marriage me. Ame weti ado imi etame. Onogu anagbe etasi me wagun. Ni ana sungu. Etasi me wa sungu. What? Sungu. Please, all my lovers. Please share this video to TikTok. Please, I beg you. Some people say, I dey shame for Enogie. I dey shame for shut up! My wife will carry me come and say, your wife when they use it by they beat you before you sleep. What did you do? Hello. Oh, where are you back? What did you do? Show me all the haters when you saga Enogie. When you first want make me first succeed before they. As they say, I say my wife can't laugh me, they happy. Nobody want me to succeed before because they're my haters. Go to Shomozwo. I must do agwan or soon. Agman about law be. Obi me ye no that said do amomo. When more they not be you word or you wow. You think you are perfect. You are not perfect. Almost I put it to you today. Let me stand up. I go almost go with the go. Almost go agbera. Almost go agbijwe. Time away. In marriage in Gawade. Same person called there if you clear for you. October 6 is a shutdown in the city. That's the truth. I'm talking to my lovers where the vest, not be you where they had that damage control. Damage control of Gbera. For as many of you that still want this marriage to hold. God will surprise you before the end of this year. Whatsoever that you are praying for, your heart desire, God will grant it for you. Mama double bass. Wow, man. I did that corner. I call Mama Obas. Mommy, it don't set like this. Mama surprised me with $500. Mama, sorry. Say I they talk this kind of thing for live video. Because when they were sending men and he made it quiet. Me I call quiet because of a Muslim. Or I call better. Or I can't quiet. Princess the Dreamer, now you are in that for. Even if I senior you, forgive me. The ones who senior me won't accept my apology. The good life zone, get out of here. And you want to tell me I get better for my children. Now your head, my children, they sleep in the net. Now your head, and even maybe they are money. You bet the children do a soon. You pay now. Because why? Everything you day. Nobody wants me to succeed. Apart from my lovers and my mother. That is the truth. That is the truth. Show me. Anybody will not like me will want me this marriage be get. You know the fake marriage. They name me marriage. Lost dream. No, it's not a diamond lost dream marriage. Can I shock you? Who only make a call? Go at your who was not mad? 5 people for TikTok backlog today. Olawi, it's your la. 5 people for TikTok. Vera, oh Vera Wama. Vera, God will bless you. When you are near women in PCRO and wa, who are Benjamin at all, nobody can come between you and Benjamin.
Let it play.
What did they play? Ogbera. A company are you be here? Oh, my justice in Egbe. You want justice for me? Not the madu. Not the madu. Not the craze. If I bought lava, I'm more. Oh, I soon. Oh, they could have been on Bua. Where's your la? What the hello, my darling. How are you? Well,
Well, I stress you, call you, that period there.
No verse, Jerry.
And so God gave me witness. I don't even know anything. I swear to
That's why I be telling you wait before. Not be today I send you my bank card, make you put money.
Not today, no.
Some more people they feel say the marriage not go hold again. Now I said no, may I call you to confirm. Say people still they write me say a person account number. That is the truth.
The marriage must hold before now. Yeah, it must hold. Now must.
Thank you, Jare.
What the Lord has done together, let no man put asunder. It must hold.
Allah, God will bless you. Now the quarrel way they grab before that make me not send you accounts before.
No. And me, one mistake where I do that day, to God bear me weakness. I don't even know anything they go on that Sunday. Now my junior sister, I write my mama yesterday. So now she called me saying send her account number. Ask me what they write you. Later, now she goes to share me link. Say something happened. Now I say what's up? Now I beg you, leave Papa Nora, Mama Nora. I know bother. You see, I not even bother to write you again.
Yes.
Now she goes to write me yesterday. So what I know, send the account again. Now I got the right before she can get contact from another person.
Thank you so much.
Marriage must go.
Thank you.
I don't think you think I say no go home. My apartment, I don't ready everything. It must go.
Thank you so much, Ola. God bless you. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you.
Okay.
Who I only take 10 people are way back lot today. Oh, Maswo, where will we be? Said on our day, but the only person who go saga me go weigh me down on my wife. Mama not a saga weigh me. I can never be stronger. No man can be stronger than a woman. No man can be stronger than a woman because we pass through their legs. And today we see they go in between their legs. to the ballooning. We dey alive to the woman. We dey go out because to the woman. So woman is powerful than man. We are the same and we strong. Now mama no la officer got me going tell me no be now. As far as they settlement all day. Now 1-0. The one I take laugh me. God go. Also no boy have be wahula dia ni me gi wa. At least my wife not as my wife talk Chris, you not talk say I no dey go around. Isaga me say the peace for us, but you not talk say I not dey satisfy am. If not let that one, I love you, my wife. Pastor Grace, I love you. Me man na go most one ya go mechanic twin. As my wife verse, you not talk say I get small prick. Hello? Most one. Ogbogbera. If you hear that video, cut a call for me. Where my wife for talk say I get small prick. Or I don't satisfy her for bed. Or we land way. Did you hear that video? He say I know they suck to toe. If they saga me, they give me level. He land way, but I can do you with it past. I feel do you with it past. But somebody come Iwe. When on la loué, when they carry la diane, when on yari will not be where you are going so. Where you go fioto? No ya cardigan. Na ati native. Oh fioto no ya cardigan. Kemo on another discharge in Dominica. Ya na celebrate ko be salobo anu wa sun. A life in me can live in what living now. I don't celebrate ko better far before I call celebrate. Una wa me I dey live wa we do gbe ko better Facebook now. E dey agari. Not be waiting on what happen. That's why if you like to celebrate a co better from now to Jesus come. A co better will not know if you celebrate her. A co better na me spoil a co better. Now me make her know say if you give a good to anybody, yeah, don't boy already are. Yes. So my lovers, book your hotel. If you want to call me for hotel reservation, +49 1521 046 0250. Contact me, I'll give you sharply. Sharply. My marriage must hold this year. You where they watch me, so your marriage must have peace this year. If you are passing through anything in your marriage, you must have peace. Or must war at their marriage, you dey marriage. Read my lips. At their marriage, you dey marriage. A marriage where ye. Or must war. If I buy anything, give my children, it not go pay me because na my biological children that I buy something for. I feel buy laptop for my children. I feel buy anything for my children. Now me use my prick to boner. Father shaft there with me. Zagores there with me. I must well. You get the father shaft of Kelvin. Wazuo. No get we all better. I must well you continue to live in the spirit of marriage. Why not talk? You don't clear the air. Can't let people know say a power wife not the shop our money. Now we go back lot for market. Now we they sell our thing. Now the money they come to us. Do you understand that? Wow, so Wagmo. Or if you take Bremen, say that October 6 be birthday. Mugu, copycat. You use my marriage day take church to your birthday. Why do I zoo? Why do I zoo? A passport with a fee. Wait, record mark. Come bring the passport. Come in the of a gua. Obewe ogbelu waya wagmo waya sungu. Passport ogwon ya gbo. I rie mu gbe ba meta. Medo gbenu we la de. Iwu ya gwe obewe no. Go obewe. Do you know what is obewe? A woman that can look into her baby's eye, a baby father eye, and say the baby father don't buy. You where you the baby father cut a shop at the roof for Jemu Gua. No soon wagmo. No mama Susie to when oh a proud mugu shakere we do. Nagmo bue wagmo. You about fiakulelo, even you about fiakulelo. No soon no bue. Or the mammy and ya. Ave ata where we azu on ugbira. Wo wawagmo. Nu sungu prad mugu. When if I come as we umbu fuane. We agun. We no mos we hu ase na we mugwe. Ala we muwe. When all your YouTube be money, when all you are monetize, where you are going, man, no matter you monetize you go. Show me all the presenter where Sagami will not get for body. You know they. Show me. No. You show me say anybody where the saga Enogie, their own ain't perfect. It no dey. So why will I be stressing myself? The cloth on 1 way for October 6th. Now a power where I help us order and we pay put. Hello? The cloth, 3 times me and my wife want change for October 6th. My kagbe will go change. We'll use our cut cake. My wegbene will go change. After that sunshine like before, DJ Jeff will continue. Party after party. Don't be lying. People love me. People love me. Now what they tell say nobody did yo. More bet. More bet now. I bet this in my hear yo. Wa soon. Et Toby John. Toby John Larry. Don abi Don Toby. Okay. Ogun fi boy Don Toby. Wa Toby wu. Oragmo. Ami Anderson. Ami Andrew. Ami a lot of fine names. Now, a lot of fine names. Where Don Toby. Toby wu. Toby wu. Wa soon wu wagmo. About Lara Yogbi. So my lovers, please, I beg you once again to please, we're going out October 6th. Rice and stew very plenty. Jollof rice, amala, name it. Special thanks to Mama Miami, Mommy Dada. The daddy when already leads the UK. Special thanks to Mommy Julius, one of Ireland. Here Kevin, one of Grenoble, in France. Some people bless you, Waya. In your mouth, for you bug way. Like my do say, can you? Email why you love me, man. Do man one of ya. I say, no, man. Baba, I want to kneel down again. Do man one of your via, you shock me. Ipa, you shock me. Ipa, you shock me. Wana woni egbu e osunbu. Wana woni agmo ma we pa wana woni we to no eri body nu yo bo ogun ogbo wa nu gba no wa ari agmo se. Eba mangba baba much respect ipa. Mommy to Douglas, one of Denmark, much gay wa o etin yaga wa o etin yayo. E marriage na to ogba to yan. And that's all now. Where they pray. Make I slice my wife, put for fridge. For as many of you that pray that prayer, where you marry, may you slice your husband, may you slice your wife. In Jesus' name. Amen. Awa. Amanyaw. Ayawese. On this note, guys, let me leave you. I love you so much. Stay blessed and stay safe, guys. Till I come your way again later, or probably tomorrow. Good night. Join me on TikTok. If you are going faster with TikTok, you go. Wayama. October 6th is a shutdown in the city of Germany, in the city of Hagen, Germany. Let's go to TikTok. I love you all. All the women will support me. Women will support my manora. All of them are right. Wayama. Topic not the again now. And then no give up.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, wetin una think about this very video? Make una no fail to like and share and drop una opinion on this video about Enogie and Frank Umenwan Noga Baba wey dey smile. No be small matter. Thank you everyone.